from one perspective, it's a tool. From another perspective, it's a system that can make dreams, thoughts, ideas flourish.
It is fundamentally about amplifying what every person is able to do.
It takes what you prompt it with and just runs with it.
It's magic.
The Microsoft Cloud is amplifying human ingenuity.
We're removing boundaries and creating opportunities to enable people.
And you've got a snapshot in time of exactly what's going on. It's quite impressive.
We're innovating at a scale, at a pace like never before.
Delivering transformational experiences.
No infrastructure changes, no additional personnel, no technical expertise needed.
It allows for the patient and doctor to be a patient and a doctor, like it used to be.
Safeguarding business and data.
One point that was very important for us is responsible AI.
Machine learning can de-bias the data for us.
Together, we can ensure AI's benefits reach every country, every industry, and every individual. When we empower every person and every organization on the planet to achieve more, we empower the world.
Hi, I'm Carissa Eichels, and I lead marketing for the Microsoft Cloud here at Microsoft. Today, we're going to delve into something that's top of mind for virtually everyone right now, AI. Throughout history, the right tool in the right hands has always sparked transformation. From moving water across hundreds of miles via ancient aqueducts to putting the world's knowledge at our fingertips with the advent of smartphones, these tools change our lives. And now we're seeing the potential of the next great shift, the new era of AI. It's one of the most exciting shifts of our generation, and we're already seeing this impact take shape across three key dimensions: for individuals, for entire teams and business functions, and across every industry. And companies already investing in AI are seeing a return on that investment. According to a recent IDC study, for every $1 an organization invests in AI, they're realizing an average return of $3.50. And it's taking, on average, 14 months for these companies to start seeing a return on that investment. So it's clear the shift isn't coming a few years down the road or even in a few months. We're not talking about innovation in the abstract. Organizations across industries are deploying AI right now to realize meaningful, real business gains. So your opportunity to lead is today. These are just a few of the AI transformation opportunities that business leaders are pursuing. When you think about enriching employee experiences, ask yourself, what high-value activities could your employees focus on if you reduced busy work? Or as you consider reinventing how you engage with customers, think about how you could use AI to build loyalty and boost customer lifetime value. What business processes could you automate and optimize with AI? And this next generation of AI also allows us to fundamentally bend the curve on innovation. What new products, services, or lines of revenue could you unlock that were just inaccessible until now? This is exciting stuff, and Microsoft can really help you navigate this shift. There are three core ways we're helping power your AI transformation journey. First, we're helping you unlock productivity across your business for every role and business function with Microsoft Copilot. Second, we're helping you build your own AI capability with the same AI platform we use to power our own AI solutions, along with the strength of our partner ecosystem. And third, we're helping you build on a foundation of trust. None of this innovation matters without trust. Every organization needs to safeguard their business, their customers, and their data, particularly in this era of AI. So let's spend a little time unpacking each of these points. We believe the AI should empower people, augmenting our unique human capabilities. It should enable people to focus on what we do best, not mundane or repetitive tasks. And that's why we've created Microsoft Copilot, your everyday AI companion helping you navigate any task. Microsoft Copilot brings the context and intelligence of the web, your work data, and what you're doing in the moment on your machine to provide better assistance, with the ability to customize outputs along with putting your privacy and security at the forefront. Already, Microsoft Copilot is transforming how we work. Our recent Work Trends Index study found that with Copilot, people can complete tasks much faster, and that's having a cascading effect on work and workflows across the business. People using Copilot catch up on missed meetings faster. They're solving customer problems quicker, They're saving time on mundane tasks. Overall, Copilot users are saving on average 1.2 hours of work time every single week. What could you do if you had an extra hour a week to reinvest in high-value, high-impact work? Now multiply that impact across your entire team. Microsoft Copilot is built to empower every end user, whether you're a knowledge worker, a seller, a security expert, a developer, or anywhere in between. Let's take a look at just a few of those scenarios, starting with how Copilot can unlock individual productivity for every knowledge worker. Copilot combines the power of large language models with your data in the Microsoft Graph and the Microsoft 365 apps and the internet accessed through natural language to turn your words into the most powerful productivity tool on the planet. Let's take a look at one scenario almost everyone can relate to: staying on top of your Outlook inbox.
Copilot in Outlook helps you stay on top of email. You have important emails to respond to. Copilot can help you separate the signal from the noise and give you hours of time back. It helps you triage your inbox so you can prioritize the most important emails. And Copilot helps you on the go in Outlook Mobile. It can summarize long email threads. You can draft a reply, use data from an Excel file, and Copilot will generate a reply for you. You can edit it. You can make it more concise, change the writing style, or add more context. Now all that's left to do is review the proposed response and hit send. It's a productivity game changer.
This is just one Copilot experience in Microsoft 365. Imagine being more creative in Word, more analytical in Excel, more expressive in PowerPoint, more productive in Outlook, and more collaborative in Teams. Customers across industries are already betting on Copilot. KPMG, Visa, BP, Honda, and more are all seeing firsthand how Copilot can unlock individual productivity and transform work for everyone. With Copilot for Microsoft 365, you can tap into the wealth of information in the Microsoft Graph. But not all your data lives within the Graph in Copilot's reach. That's the next big opportunity. We see an AI-powered business process reengineering wave that will sweep over every organization in every industry. And it starts with Copilot Studio. No two business processes and no two companies are going to be the same. Copilot Studio allows you to easily tailor your Copilot to your very specific needs, your data, your workflows, as well as your security requirements. We'll come back to Copilot Studio in just a minute. We're also creating role-specific Copilot experiences that help empower the more specific personas and business functions we looked at earlier: sales, security, customer service, and more. Let's take a look at one of those other personas and what Copilot can do for them: software developers. Developers around the world are using and loving GitHub Copilot. In fact, 46% of new code is now written by AI. Developers using GitHub Copilot are faster to complete repetitive tasks, and they're able to focus on work that's more satisfying, which means greater talent retention for your organization. GM is one organization using GitHub Copilot to empower its developers. About 400 GM devs have been using GitHub Copilot since February of 2023, and the response has been very positive. Just take a look at this quote. "The best part for the devs I've talked to is they don't have to think as much about structure and formatting, all those little things that tie up creating code quickly. Often, GitHub Copilot gets them 98% of the way there, and they only need to make small changes to finish it up." Imagine getting a head start like that on every project or initiative. As we've seen, Microsoft Copilot can help boost productivity, optimize efficiency, and deliver time savings right out of the box. But every company will want to infuse AI across their business, often in very customized and highly tailored ways. So let's shift gears and talk about how Microsoft can help you build your own AI capability using our AI platform and tooling and the power of our partner ecosystem. There are two big reasons leaders are looking to build their own AI capability in addition to using solutions like Copilot: your apps and your data. You have your own apps, workflows, software, and tools already in place across your business, and you want to infuse AI into those systems rather than replacing them. And AI is only as good as your data, so you need to make sure your own AI solutions can effectively leverage your unique data and IP. There are three main pathways when it comes to building your own AI capability. First, you can now easily manage, deploy, and customize Microsoft Copilot to fit your business needs or requirements. Second, you can harness the same platform and services that we ourselves used to build our own Copilots to build your very own. And across both of these opportunities, we can help you find the right partner to help you accelerate the value you can realize from your AI investments. So let's unpack each of these pathways, starting with customizing Microsoft Copilot. As we discussed, Copilot is designed to provide in-context, AI-powered guidance and assistance across all of our surfaces, bringing you the skills you need across work and life. But every organization is unique, and you need to be able to customize that experience. You could be looking to add critical guardrails or rules to guide responses in your organization. Legal requests, sensitive HR topics, or finance and compliance requests could need this additional layer of sensitivity. Adding skills that support unique workloads for your organization is another top use case. Think of expense management, submitting and approving time off, or even self-service workflows that help a user reset their password. Extending Microsoft Copilot with third-party plugins, or GPTs supported by OpenAI, is another way to customize Microsoft Copilot. And you can customize Copilot to connect with your unique business data that lives outside the Microsoft Graph, using over 1,100 pre-built connectors and gateways, in many cases, even if that data is on-prem. And with our end-to-end AI toolchain, we'll meet you where you are with the right tool for the job. It starts with Copilot Studio, which we touched on earlier. Copilot Studio makes it incredibly easy for anyone to extend and customize Microsoft Copilot in a low-code or no-code experience. Let's take a look. One company already using Copilot Studio is PayPal. PayPal uses Microsoft 365 throughout its organization and now is using Copilot Studio to create greater efficiency and improve employee satisfaction. Using a feature called Generative Answers, PayPal can reason over data from more than 20 internal and external data sources that include both public websites, internal SharePoint sites, and systems of record. This data can then be used to power experiences across IT, HR, finance, and legal to provide the relevant answers to employee questions. Using Copilot Studio, PayPal was able to develop and deploy this functionality in weeks instead of months. And the efficiencies have been massive, driving a support cost reduction of 15% in HR and 10% in IT, with line of sight to 40% reductions on the way. So let's take this a step further and talk about building your own Copilot experiences and solutions using that same end-to-end AI toolchain. Building your own Copilot allows you to infuse the power of generative AI into your own existing apps, or building these capabilities into new apps. Your own Copilot can allow users to chat with your unique data sources, get more intelligence from your data with advanced analytics, generate content that's tailored for your specific needs, or even create beautiful bespoke experiences that build your reputation and help you connect with customers. This is where it's important to identify the goals for your Copilot so that you know that you're building a Copilot that will move your business forward. Now, as you're thinking about what you'll build, we've developed a way to think about how to build your own Copilot. We call it the Copilot Stack. It's an application development pattern that can help you conceptualize how to bring together next-gen foundation models, your own data, and powerful AI infrastructure that you can trust and depend on. So we have that next-gen AI integrated toolchain with Microsoft Copilot Studio and Azure AI Studio, giving developers and organizations everything they need to bring AI-powered experiences to their applications while doing it safely. And as you look at your entire data estate, Microsoft solutions span operational stores with Cosmos, analytics with Fabric, and governance with Purview, along with partnerships with the likes of Oracle, Snowflake, and Databricks. Azure is the world's computer, and our AI infrastructure offers the latest technology, performance, and reliability. And the Copilot Stack represents the same framework we use to build the Copilot solutions we saw earlier. And we want to help you use this same framework to build Copilot solutions of your own. Now, whether you decide to customize Microsoft Copilot or build your own, Microsoft partners have the experience and expertise to help. Partners bring the industry expertise to create workflows that extend Microsoft Copilot in ways that can serve the unique needs of your industry. They also bring specialized data connectors or plugins that integrate with Copilot to enhance your experience even more. And when it comes to custom-built AI solutions, our partners offer a range of finished SaaS apps and services already infused with AI that can allow you to hit the ground running. And if you're in the business of building your own Copilots into existing company apps or services, partners can help you establish your AI Center of Excellence. So let's take a look at one Microsoft partner who has built an AI-powered solution designed to help marketers create and deliver personalized, cross-channel customer experiences.
The world of marketing is super fast-paced. It's got lots of day-to-day challenges.
Marketers don't have a lot of time. They've got so many different campaigns and so many different things going on.
How can they continue to spark creativity in their content? We've had a long-standing partner relationship with Microsoft. We've built on the Azure platform, and we've continued to engage on the most kind of cutting-edge technologies Microsoft offer. Digital is a customer experience and data platform specifically built for marketers. We look after 4,000 brands globally. We have offices around the world, as well as customers in over 150 countries, and enable them to really drive engagement and value into their marketing.
Artificial intelligence and generative AI represent huge shifts in technology.
Our customers have so much data, and what we really empower them to do is bring that data into our platform to be able to generate fantastic experiences. And I think this is where we see AI really being able to come into the best use cases.
In our platform, we have Winston AI, which is our marketing intelligence engine. In the recent months, we've introduced GPT and used it to provide generative capability to our marketers. A couple of ways that we've started to do that is email campaign assistant.
There's a natural starting point for us to look at how we can optimize emails because the channel is still so widely used.
The campaign assistant would analyze it and then tell you something a little bit positive about the campaign, but then also provide at least a couple tips for how you can go further with engagement. And then finally, it will give you an analysis of the tone, so you can just make sure that you're on the right track. The second feature that we developed was the subject line assistant tool. It'll provide you some feedback. It will have that context of what you've written before, what your style of writing is, and then provides you with 3 suggestions which you can decide to use or gain inspiration from. We're really proud of how Winston AI has already had such a big impact on customers.
It allows them to get inspiration quickly, focus to user on what matters, improve engagement, provide new ideas for campaigns, but most importantly, it's simple and effective to use. We average 3,700 requests for subject line feedback and suggestions per week. 30% of the chosen options are selected for the Winston AI suggestion, and on average, 72% of subject line suggestions are rated useful by our customers.
Implementation was quick and easy. We worked with Microsoft specialists to ensure that we were using AI responsibly.
The future of AI is exciting. We're really looking forward to building on it, and we know that working with Microsoft, the possibilities will be endless.
Digital is one of more than 400,000 Microsoft partners around the world, spanning startups, ISVs, systems integrators, managed services providers, and more. And we're investing deeply into building and nurturing relationships with our partners, providing them with technical, marketing, and sales support, along with access to our cloud platform, tools, and resources, so that in turn, they can work with you to support your organization's AI transformation. Now, let's close with trust. Considering safety in this new era of AI is not an optional feature. It's a requirement, and it can't be an afterthought. The Microsoft Cloud runs on trust. We're committed to security, privacy, and compliance across everything we do, and our approach to AI is no different. Trust has been a fundamental promise we've built into the Microsoft Cloud since the very beginning. And as we've talked about, data is the fuel that powers AI technology, and you need to trust what your technology partners are doing with your data. So first, your data is your data. It's not our data, it's yours. That means it's yours to control, yours to choose how you want to leverage and monetize. Your data is not used to train or enrich foundational AI models used by others without your permission, so you don't have to worry about anyone other than your organization benefiting from AI that's trained on your data. And your data and AI models are protected at every step by the most comprehensive enterprise compliance and security controls in the industry. And with the customer copyright commitment, We've also extended our existing intellectual property indemnity support to commercial Copilot solutions and Azure OpenAI service, ensuring you can use these solutions with confidence. Trust grounds our approach to the responsible AI journey, the principles and tools that we uphold and share with our customers and partners today. And this is the approach we're taking with AI safety within Microsoft. There are 4 focus areas: principles, corporate standards, implementation, and oversight. And we want to help every organization implementing their own AI governance systems. That's why we publish resources like the Responsible AI Standard, sharing our learnings and framework for implementing responsible AI policies and practices across Microsoft. So we've covered a lot of ground here today, from how Microsoft Copilot can unlock productivity and efficiency across your business, the pathways to building your own AI capability, to the foundation of trust and safety that underpins everything we're doing with AI. Now let's talk about how you can get started. First, I encourage you to assess where you are on your AI readiness journey. Download our new white paper to explore the 5 pillars of AI readiness and form a strategy for building sustainable value with AI. You can kickstart your AI transformation today, and we can help you fast-track that journey. Whether you're interested in exploring Microsoft Copilot, building your own AI capability, or both, check out Microsoft.com/AI to learn more. It's clear that we're at an inflection point with AI, and right now the opportunity is yours to lead the world's AI transformation. We are so excited to partner with you along the way. Thank you.